them inside that alley when you're driving up.
Move! Both of you, move!
Off of Wiedemann. So Dayton's going to have the ball after this timeout. The only question I have for the kids who go to the College of Charleston, why do you ever go to class? Where the heck do you go for spring break? That's a good point.
Where the hell is College of Charleston?
Charleston, North Carolina.
So what do you mean, where the fuck you go for spring break?
Because it's so beautiful in there. When you do go for spring break, I don't go nowhere.
North Carolina is beautiful.
Yeah.
Down south, though?
Yeah.
No way, you and your stupid dog.
The weather in North Carolina is beautiful, babe.
Volvo S60. Now through March 31st, lease the S60 for $299 a month.
In the Notre Dame game, it came down to where Kemba Walker did it here, pulling back, and he can't guard. And when they switch on that ball screen, he just can't handle guards like Hansbrough did the same thing for Notre Dame when they won at Pittsburgh. So from that standpoint, until they resolve this, I could see them taking Kansas State and just get Curtis Kelly do the same ball screen so that he forces a switch, and Jacob Pullen can hit this shot. And this is where Pitt could have this one weakness on defense where in the pressure game down the last shot, Jacob Pullen can win, taking McGee one-on-one.
All right, with Jacob Pullen in Kansas State, a 5 seed, so give me a team seeded 5th or lower that's a little bit under the radar right now. Is that your pick? You got somebody else?
No, I like in the Southwest. Georgetown was that team as a 6th seed, and you go back and look to when in '88 Kansas became the 6th seed. They started the season 9-8, but the 3, 2, and 1 seeds lost. Now that they've got